Good morning, everyone. I'm making a bento for my daughter and my wife. Today's main dish is Butadon, which is teriyaki pork on the rice bowl. And this dish is famous in Tokachi, Hokkaido. Tokachi, Hokkaido is the northern part of Japan. And the traditional Butadon looks like this. But I'm gonna make it like this for Bento Box. Now I'm gonna make a rice for 1 cup, and this is enough for 2. First, I'm going to make a side dish, Daikon radish salad. I'm just gonna slice the daikon. And put them in the bowl and add some salt, which is shio, which will take out the water from daikon. I'm gonna leave it for 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna make a teriyaki sauce for butadon. First, put brown sugar, which is soseto, and add some water, which is mizu. And so boil the sugar water until it is caramelized, becoming a little bit brown, and boil them a little bit more. Now it's becoming very dark and caramelized. And I'm gonna add some water. Now I'm gonna add rice wine, which is nihonshu, or you can call it sake. And add some home mirin, which is sweet rice wine. I'm going to add tamari soy sauce, which is tamari joyu. This is aged soy sauce, which has more umami than regular soy sauce. And tamari soy sauce is much darker than regular soy sauce, but saltiness is the same. Now your sauce is done. So I'm gonna go back to daikon radish salad. I'm gonna take out water by squeezing them. I'm going to add some imitation crab meat. We call it kanikama. And what I used has some crab meat and crab extract and fish. This is kabosu. Kabosu is a type of citrus fruit produced in Oita. If I don't have a kabosu, I use lemon or yuzu. Yuzu is another type of citrus fruit. This is oba or shiso leaf. You see this leaf often used for the decoration for sashimi, like this. I'm going to add mayonnaise, which is additive free, and mix well. And now some salt, which is shio. And this is done. Now I'm going to grill the vegetables. These are onions, which is tamanegi, and grill them over cast iron grill. Carrot, which is ninjin. I'm using the cast iron grill to make the grill marks on the vegetables, and I like the flavor coming from the grill marks. This is a zucchini or courgette. And this is the green eggplant. We call it midori nasu. And the traditional Butadon, they don't have any vegetables on it. But for bento purpose, I add a lot of vegetables for my kids' health and also for coloring purpose. Now I'm going to grill the pork. This is sliced pork loin, which is a buta roast no usugiri. And this pan removes excess fat from the meat. And the traditional Butadon pork is grilled over the charcoal. And the pork is done. I'm going to add everything into frying pan and add the teriyaki sauce over the pork and the vegetables. Then I'm going to just mix well. And this is done. Rice is ready. Now I'm going to put everything into bento box. Rice is still hot, so I'm going to cool them down a little bit, because when the rice is hot, it creates a lot of moisture, and which causes the food poisoning. And this is done. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. And you can use beef, chicken, you can use fish, you can use tofu instead of pork. And as long as you use this teriyaki sauce, the taste should be great. So I hope you give a try if you have a chance. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.